What is going on, guys? Team Ue4 here. Today I'm going to be showing off a parkour roll mechanic that I created in Unreal Engine 4. It's inspired by the roll mechanic in Mirror's Edge, and it's pretty simple to create. It only took me about 15 or 20 minutes, but I think it looks pretty good. So if you're at a small ledge like this and you jump off, then you don't roll, but then once you get to a certain point, to avoid taking damage, then the character will immediately do a roll. So then when you jump, you'll roll like this, and then you get up and you can keep running. And you can do this if you're moving forwards like this, and you can keep moving forwards as you're rolling. But if you land directly down, then you're not going to immediately get knocked forwards. So, that's pretty much it. If you guys like these Unreal Engine 4 videos or want to see a tutorial, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for all the support recently, even though I haven't been posting a lot of videos. So, thank you guys for watching. Team Ue4 out.